Garmin has just launched two versions of its brand, new Fenix 8 Pro, and the big question is, should you go for the AMOLED model or spend extra for the micro LED? So let's break it down. First, the price. The AMOLED Fenix 8 Pro in the 51mm size comes in around $1,200 to $1,300. On the other hand, the micro LED version jumps all the way up to nearly $2,000, so making it Garmin most expensive Fenix ever. So that's the huge gap. So what you do actually get for the extra money? The most obvious difference is the display. The AMOLED version gives you those bright, sharp colors that works really well both indoors and outdoors. So it's what we have seen Garmin's improved on their latest line, and it's already plenty bright for the almost everyone. But the micro LED model is in another league. It's claimed to be the brightest smartwatch display ever, hitting extreme brightness levels that makes it visible even the harshest direct sunlight. So if you are someone who consistently training or exploring under the sun, that's where micro LED really stands out. But brighter screen power comes with a cost. That's the extra battery life. On the AMOLED model, you can expect up to 27 days in smartwatch mode or around 15 days with the always-on screen turned on. That's excellent for the watch with a full color display. The micro LED, however, sacrifices endurance for the brightness. So it only lasts around 10 days in smartwatch mode and has a little for 4 days with always on enabled for long distances, adventures or multi-day expeditions. So that's pretty big trade-off. So when it comes to features, both versions are identical. Each one has its LTE-M, the Garmin and Research satellite connectivity built right in. That means you can send messages, share your locations, get weather updates, and even trigger an SOS alert without needing your phone. You can even send short voice messages directly from the watch, and of course, you will need Garmin subscription to use these services. But the functionality is the same, no matter which display type you pick. The size and design are also similar, since both models comes in 51mm. The micro LED is slightly thicker and feels a bit heavier on the wrist. But both keeps Garmin rugged, premium with the water resistance and durability for outdoor adventures. So the big decisions comes down to whether you value battery life or ultimate display brightness. The AMOLED versions gives you a fantastic screen, excellent endurance, and all the latest features at the price that feels premiums, but not out gorgeous. The micro LED versions gives you a display like nothing else on the market, but it comes to the cost of shorter battery life and a much steeper price tag. So if you are type of the athlete or the adventurers who spends long days off the grid, the AMOLED is probably the smarter buy. But if you absolutely want the brightest screen possibly and you are willing to pay for it, the micro LED is unmatched. So I have left links in the descriptions so you can check full specs, availability and pricing for both versions. So that's the Fenix 8 Pro AMOLED versus micro LED. Two powerful watches built for serious explorers. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So I will catch you in the next one.